Hello and welcome to the Data-Driven Testing Selenium video course. This is an introduction video where I will briefly go through all the topics of this course. Before we start, let's introduce the author who prepared all the materials for this course. Mykola Kolesnik is software test automation engineer with more than 12 years of experience. During the practice, he operated with many different technologies including Java, C#, Ruby, Script and many other customized solutions. He is actively participating in technical review for publishing books. And now we can get the overall course overview. The course consists of 5 chapters. The work roadmap is shown on the screen. In the first section, we'll go through available approaches for the test automation in general. Also, we'll get set with the tools we're going to use during the course. We'll perform initial setup and create basic tests we will practice with. The second section will be dedicated to making technical enhancements to our sample test. In particular, we'll apply page objects and modify our tests accordingly. In the third section, we'll play with data-driven scenarios. We'll update our test to be data-driven, we'll use various types of data providers, as well as we'll exercise different data sources. The section 4 will cover more advanced cases. In particular, we'll play with Excel as an input source. Also, we'll use Spring injections to our tests, as well as we'll see how data-driven tests look like with the Cucumber JVM. The section 5 will be dedicated to the parallel test execution. We'll make necessary enhancements to avoid concurrency problems. We'll go through steps of setting up Selenium grid and perform several parallel test runs for our data-driven tests. In the end, we'll make a final overview of the course. As it goes from the name of the course, we'll use Selenium. Also, all the examples will be done in Java. So, in order to follow this course properly, you need to have basic Java knowledge. Also, you need basic understanding of the Selenium. Additionally, it is useful to have basic understanding of the object-oriented programming concepts and principles. Also, you need to have an idea of how to use Maven, Gradle or any other build and dependency management systems, as in most of our examples, I need to add some library as the dependency. This course was replicated and recorded on macOS 10.12, but since it's Java-based, it can be applicable for Windows systems as well. Also, for our samples, I've used Java 1.8. If you use some later versions, there can be some differences in the setup, so just be aware of it. So, let's get started with the course, and I hope you'll enjoy it.